Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Macarya Museum. Ito ay tinatag noong 1856 ni Magellan. Wait lang ha, tatanungin natin yung management kung pwedeng pumasok. Sandali lang.
Okay, just go. Patawagan mo na po kayo, ha? Sige po.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Pwede po ba kaming pumasok para po sa mga turista natin?
Ay, ma'am, sorry po, ma'am, pero bigla pong nag-schedule ng maintenance yung management eh. So, hindi po muna kami natanggap ng visitors for today. Sorry, I'm really sorry, ma'am. I-refund na lang po namin yung binayad na sa amin.
Oh my gosh! I'm gonna die na! How about my job naman? Can't you understand?
Ma'am, I'm really very
I'm
sorry.
gonna die na talaga! Oh my gosh!
Ma'am, I'm sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm sorry, ma'am, pero nag-schedule po kasi na maintenance yung management, so hindi po muna kami natanggap ng visitors for today.
Ganun po ba?
Yes, ma'am. So, gagawin na lang po namin is i-refund na lang po namin yung binayad niya sa amin.
Okay.
Sorry,
Sige.
ma'am.
Thank you ha.
Okay, sige, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. We just have to go on our next stop. Hindi kasi siya pwede kasukan kasi maintenance daw, sabi ng management. So, let's go on our next stop because the show must go on!
Go, ma'am.